Is my husband cheating on me?
Will I marry my future wife in the next 2 years?
Will I win the lotto this weekend?
Hi, I'm Fortune Tala.
If sleep is the cousin of death, then pollution is the ones that be stealing our breath. We must open up our...
Hi, well, I'm so happy to see you here. So happy you came in. When they said you're coming in today, I thought, wow, how sad. Anyway, I really believe you are here to ask me a specific question about sports.
I would like to know, please, Auntie Tala,
Yeah?
will I still be able to dunk at the age of 50?
When you're 50, okay, maybe you can still dunk a donut by 50. I don't know about basketball, but what I can do is I can use my crystal balls.
And I'd like to find out if we could connect. Please, Auntie Tala, connect with my lost cat.
Is your cat's name Afro?
No.
No, wait. Sorry, there's people in the way at the moment. So... Okay, is your cat's name Pussycat?
We did call it Pussycat.
Yes.
But that wasn't the name, no.
Okay. What was your cat's name?
Ginger.
Ginger. Yeah, it's
Ginger.
Chinese cat.
Yes.
It's a Chinese cat, Ginger. Okay, I think I know what happens to Ginger. Did you ever enjoy the sweet and sour pork from the Chinese takeaway next door to your house?
I did.
Yeah. And was the sauce the same color as Ginger?
It was ginger. It was the color ginger too.
Yeah, I think Ginger ended up in your stomach. Must be like a couscous, but it's a couscous. Oh, anyway, let me reconnect you with what's it? Your Pussycat. Ginger with capital Ginger. Ginger. Meow. Hello, Kapisi.
Ginger,
Oh,
is that you?
loud I can't hear.
Ginger, is that
Oh,
you?
not too loud, my ears are quite sensitive. Oh, yes, it's me. What do you want to ask me? I'm already dead. Why are you bothering me?
I'd like to ask you, was I a good owner? And are you happy where you are, Ginger?
Was you a good owner? You was very care to me. You very look after me. You let me have fleas off, but you still take care of me. Even after I got run over, you just put me under the house and thought I was dead, but I came back because I had 7 lives left. Yes, you a good owner.
Okay.
Yeah, do you have another question? You want to ask?